Hi, in this tutorial, we will view how to lock down a reader on a NetAXS with the tray panel. Begin logging into the web user interface using Google Chrome. Once on the dashboard, locate the menu icon at the top left corner and then hit Configuration, or just simply click Doors right below Spaces and Doors from the menu of the left. In here, click Configure Your Spaces and then expand the space where this door is located at. Once you select the door, by default you will appear at the Readers tab. In here, you will find the Lockdown Reader dropdown where you're going to be able to select a schedule for this reader to be at a lockdown status. You can choose between the default time zone, which is 24/7, or any other options you might have in here. Note that when locking down a reader, the reader will not work at that time, meaning that if a card is presented to it, it won't show up at the event viewer, and also it won't show any alarms. However, the request to exit is going to open the door if pressed. Once you are done, hit Save at the bottom right corner. Once it's done, you will see how a successfully saved message will appear at the top right corner. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage, mywebtech.honeywell.com.